You have in the exercise packet an example of an assignment that you should do for this week. This is a line exercise. You have horizontal lines, you have vertical lines, and you notice here that it says different pencil lead weights. I would like you to replicate this page exactly. Take a piece of marker paper, and I'm going to lay mine horizontally because that works better in the camera. You can do whatever works for you. And lay it over top of this sheet of paper. Then take your pencil and put a dot here and put a dot right here. You can see these boxes, so just put a dot in each corner of these boxes. And then do the practice that we talked about. So once I get points down on the sheet where I want them to happen, I can actually remove that sheet. I can put my pencil here and put my eye right there, turn my page just a little bit, take a breath, and draw a line from here to there. Notice I'm doing all of my horizontal lines at the same time. That's because it's easy for me to reach, easy for me to do. I don't have to turn my page. I'm speeding up my practice here a little bit. Then I can go and do my vertical lines. To connect those dots. Please do not use a ruler for this exercise at any point. Please do not use a ruler for any drawing that you do in this class. The point of this class is to get you to build some hand dexterity and skill and technique. And if you're using a ruler every time you draw, then you're not training your hand. The other problem is that if you use a ruler to draw straight lines, then you want to draw a curvilinear line, then it's going to look like two different people did the drawing in there, and you're going to have a problem with unity, right? You're going to have too much chaos and confusion and clutter. Once you get these drawn, then you're going to take one of your pencils. It doesn't have to be F, HB, and 2B. I want you to use all of the pencils that you've got. So take one of your pencils. If that's your F pencil, great. You may want to sharpen your pencil. Before you start, because one quality of a line could have to do with the sharpness of the pencil. I would like you to put a point at the left side and a point at the right side, and then I'd like you to take your pencil and put it on the left point, put your eye on the right point, and connect them. And you're going to do that again, and again, and again, as you train your hand to draw horizontal lines across this page. If when you get to the vertical lines, you put a point here and you put a point here and you find that that's really hard for you to do, then turn your page and keep doing horizontals. It would be good to train your hand to do verticals, but as I've told you, you can already turn your page. These diagonals, you're going to put a point here and you're going to put a point about equal distance from that corner, and then you're going to draw yourself a 45. These are going to get gradually longer as you go. And when you do these, I would put a light guideline, put an X through the middle of the square like this, so that you have a place where you're going to draw a line to, and a point, and a line. And then turn the page and do this side. Another thing that you're doing when you draw these is you're looking at the edge of the paper, or you're looking at this line here to see if your lines are lining up. We're going to judge your horizontals on the top and the bottom of the page, and your verticals on the right and left side of the page.